The battlefield is not just about bullets, bombs, and destruction. It's far more than that. It's about people, courage, pain, and the stories that unfold within. Today, we dive into that story, where metal beasts are not just machines of war, but reflections of human grit and resilience. Let's step inside the heart of warfare. We begin with the 70-ton metal monster, the Abrams M1 tank. When it rolls onto the battlefield, the ground trembles. But as mighty as it looks from the outside, life inside is anything but easy. 4 crew members crammed inside for days, sometimes months. No bathroom, no bed, just heat, smoke, and constant readiness. Missions can last over 24 hours. Meals, dry rations, nature's call, an empty bottle. And yet, when the enemy appears, this tank doesn't stop. Not even for a second. It's not just made of steel, it's forged from determination, discipline, and sacrifice. In the skies, the F-16 Fighting Falcon soars. It's more than a jet. It's a predator with laser focus. One blink, and the enemy is gone. But flying this jet, not simple at all. It can withstand up to 9 Gs of force. That's 9 times your body weight pressing down on you. To survive that, pilots wear special G-suits that regulate blood flow, so they don't pass out mid-flight. They use a heads-up display, projecting every bit of intel directly into their line of sight. The enemy's position, movement, speed, everything visible without ever looking away. This is not just combat, it's a hunt, and one wrong move could mean the end. Now, beneath the ocean surface, where no one sees and no one hears, lurks the Typhoon-class submarine. The largest nuclear submarine in the world, longer than 3 football fields, 160 crew members inside, and 20 nuclear missiles on board. It's a floating fortress, with a gym, swimming pool, even a movie room inside. Why? Because these submarines stay underwater for up to 120 days. Their mission? Stay hidden, stay silent, and strike when no one expects. This is second strike capability. Even if your country is hit first, this submarine ensures the enemy won't survive the aftermath. Now look above the seas, not a ship, but a floating city, the Gerald R. Ford aircraft carrier. Home to over 5,000 personnel, hundreds of jets take off and land daily. It's a mobile command center, a full-blown city at sea. Feeding thousands, fueling jets, launching missions, all without missing a beat. Every takeoff is a high-stakes operation. One mistake could cost lives. Everyone on board, from the pilot to the technician, is trained to perfection. This isn't just metal and machines. It's precision, people, and purpose. But war isn't only about attack. It's also about bringing our people home. That's where transport aircraft like the C-17 Globemaster or the C-130 Hercules come in. A helicopter lands on a rocky ridge. A wounded soldier needs help, and these machines, guided by brave medics and pilots, make sure no one is left behind. This is more than war. This is humanity in action, because the real battle isn't always outside. Inside the tank, inside the cockpit, inside the submarine, there's fear, exhaustion, isolation, and yet, they return. They return because they know someone is waiting. We see the war, we see the explosions, the missiles, the power, but behind all that, there are people. People with families, with dreams, with fear, yet they fight. Because some battles aren't won with weapons, they're won with will. Salute to those who remain human even inside the machine.